Hey guys, NaturallyNellzy here today, and we are going to cover a pretty cool product that's going to help with your edges as well as your nighttime hair routine. So we're going to start off with some background information, and this is the website for allnaturalhaircares.com. And I would definitely recommend checking it out. When you get on the website, they do give you like a little slideshow where they show you some of the things they have to offer. If you are a natural hair gal, you definitely want to go on this website because they have a lot of different tools that you can use to pretty much help with your natural hair journey. But the prime focus on today's video is going to be on the Adjustable Satin Edge Bandana, which you guys are able to see here on the website. This is a really cool product because it's actually going to help with protecting your edges. You can use it for different styles, and if you are a gal that dabbles in protective styling, you can use it for different things as far as to keeping your style in place. You can also use it for faded braids, pretty much anything that involves keeping your hairstyle fresh. That's exactly what you're going to get. And as you guys can see, as you continue to just graze the website and everything, you'll see they have a lot of different things on articles on how to keep your hair healthy and so on. But without further ado, we're going to actually get into the product here. So when I did get the product, it came really cutely packaged, came with instructions, which you guys are able to see here. And that's what I love, because anytime I'm using a product, I need to make sure that I'm using it correctly, because sometimes you can actually end up doing yourself more damage. So guys, please always read your instructions. They're there for a reason. So as I'm showing you guys here, this is exactly what the pattern looks like. It's a very cute houndstooth kind of design to it. It does come with some drawstrings with these little beads on the bottom here, and then I also got one in a satin black as well. Like you guys saw on the website there, they do have a couple of different colors, and right now I'm just showing you the little elastic part that actually goes into the band. And just a quick tip, when you actually do feel the grooves, flip it around to make sure that it's facing away from your hairline. But this is just me showing you that this band is customizable for your head shape, your head style, or whatever kind of head situation you have going on. So it is completely customizable for you, and it was designed so that it would be a comfortable fit when you are doing a protective styling, if you're sleeping, whatever you may be using with this band. So for me, y'all know I like to get them baby hairs laid and I decided I was gonna opt for the satin black one. I don't know what it is with the satin black, but like I love this one. It's like the first one that I'm always picking up. But pretty much what I'm using it for right now is to lay the baby hairs down. Like I said, I love this product because it has multiple uses. It's very versatile. And right now all I'm doing is just tying that on and clipping it, and I'm just going to take that off later on, and the edges are going to be laid, which is what I love. Now I'm also going to show you guys some more versatility. As you guys know, your girl also wears wigs as well because, protect the styling, right? So what I usually use the band for is like when I do have my makeup on and when I'm coming home from work, I don't necessarily want to put my hair right away, but it's just for me to get into the whole feeling of, unwinding and everything. So I pretty much just tie this on to make sure that, I'm not going to get any of that, water or anything on my hairline, because depending on your adhesive, a little bit of water and girl, your wig is coming right off. So this is exactly what this helps with, and it has been a godsend for me. So as you guys can see, this is another clip where I'm pretty much preparing for bed, and now I'm actually going to use the headband to get ready for bed. So I'm putting it on now, and I'm actually going to tie it to the front as opposed to the back like what you guys just saw. But the main thing that I love about this product is that you can always customize it to any which way if you're liking. Like the way that I usually do it is I just use little tassels, I draw them in so it's a bit more snug and secure at night, and then I just tuck the little excess behind. And when I'm able to put this on, I don't have to worry about product getting, on my lace or anything, or me having to do my hair over. It is perfect for the lazy gals, and guess what? It's only $12, boo, so it's even more awesome because it's very affordable. Love the versatility, love the colors, and I'm about ready for bed, so I'm gonna put that bonnet on. Please be sure to check the description box for all the links below on how to get yours, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.